Hi there, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. Lately, I have been craving for that Starbucks lemon pound cake. So what do you do when you crave for something? You make that cake in keto way. So that's why today I have made a keto lemon pound cake, but I have given it a bit twist. What twist I have given it, you will see that in my recipe. And since I am right now in Australia and we have summer out here, it's the best time to make this cake. So I can't wait to show you guys how to make this keto lemon pound cake. But before that, if you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. And now let me show you how to make this keto lemon pound cake.
So before we start with the recipe of our best keto lemon pound cake, first thing first, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And next, here I have taken my mixing bowl and we'll start prepping with our dry ingredients first. And for our dry ingredients, here I am taking 2 cups of almond flour. It's a blanched almond flour, and next in goes 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and followed by 2 teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder, and next I am adding 1 teaspoon of gelatin. This is optional. I like to add gelatin to my baking goods because it gives a nice good texture. And give everything all a good mix and remove all the lumps if there is any, and set your dry mixture aside. Now take another mixing bowl and we'll start prepping with our wet ingredients. And for our wet ingredients, we are going to use 5 whole eggs. These are medium size eggs, and crack this open to your mixing bowl one after the another. And in goes our second, third, fourth and fifth egg, and next add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now here I am adding some cream cheese into our wet ingredients, and I have taken 1 full block of cream cheese. It is almost 8 ounces of it. And next add in 1 cup of keto sweetener. I am using monk fruit one, as you can see in here. And in goes some room temperature salted butter. I have added around half a cup of it. And next, bring out your hand blender and start mixing everything together. This may take a while, but be patient here. You have to blend everything in until eggs and cream cheese is well combined. And next here, now I am adding around 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into this, and then start blending in again. And once everything is all mixed, it's time to add in your dry ingredients. So here is our dry ingredient, and I'm adding it into our wet ingredients. Now I like to add my dry ingredients in 3 batches because there are chances that your dry ingredients may form some lumps. So to avoid that, add your dry ingredients into wet ingredients in 3 different batches and mix everything in with your hand blender until everything is well combined and form a nice smooth batter. And here is our batter ready, and I'm just checking this for the sweetness, and the sweetness is perfect. It has got nice tangy taste. Now I'm scraping off the edges of our ball and mixing it with our batter. And now it's time to transfer our batter to our baking mold. And here I am using silicone mold, but if you are using the metal one, make sure that you are greasing it well and lining it with your baking paper. And in goes our batter to our baking mold. Now here I am giving it a bit of twist, so I am adding some fresh berries to our batter, and for that I am using 100 gram of raspberries. So what I am doing here is I am just placing raspberries on the top of our batter and shoving it into the batter with the help of my spatula, just like this. And here I am done with this. Now it's time to bake this in our oven, and for that I am placing this into my oven and I'm going to cook this for around 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And while this is baking, let's go ahead and start preparing our glaze. For that, here I have taken my mixing bowl, and to this I am adding 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. This is the same sweetener I have grinded it into the coffee machine to make the powder form. And next in goes 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything in until your sugar is completely dissolved into the mixture, and once it's done, place this into the fridge until your keto lemon pound cake is ready. And here is our keto lemon pound out from the oven, and it's cooling down on the cooling rack. And as soon as your keto lemon pound cake has cooled down, pour over the prepared glaze on the top of your loaf, just like this. And next, and I'm garnishing this with some more fresh raspberries because it looks absolutely divine. I love the color of the raspberries, and look at this, how pretty it looks. And now it's time to slice a piece. So I'm cutting a piece, and as you can see the texture, it's exactly like the lemon pound cake. It's the best lemon pound cake recipe ever. You must try this recipe with your friends and family, and trust me, they won't be able to tell that this is some keto version of it. I hope you like my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you.